transforming a blank bedroom wall, a cramped dorm room, or an outdoor patio into an immersive cinema screen often requires navigating messy focus wheels, frustrating keystone angles, and stubborn streaming app limitations. This XGIMI MoGo 2 Pro, new, portable projector resolves those mobile entertainment hurdles by packing intelligent automation and native streaming convenience into a compact, backpack-friendly footprint. The primary upgrade centers on native ecosystem integration and visual punch. Powered by Google TV with officially licensed Netflix built straight in, it eliminates the need for clunky external streaming sticks or complicated casting workarounds. Visuals are driven by an ultra-bright 430 ISO lumens engine supporting 1080p Full HD and a 90% DCI P3 color gamut calibrated to Hollywood's D65 standard, ensuring vibrant, color-accurate projections up to 120 inches. Setup happens instantly thanks to XGIMI's Intelligent Screen Adaptation (ISA) technology, featuring seamless autofocus, uninterrupted auto keystone correction, and smart obstacle avoidance that maps around wall switches or pictures. Audio output is equally robust via dual 8W speakers backed by Dolby Audio, filling small spaces without forcing you to pack external Bluetooth speakers. Things to consider before you buy. While it punches well above its weight class for dark rooms, bedroom ceilings, or evening patio sessions, its 430 ISO lumen output means it will struggle against heavy ambient daylight or bright, sunlit rooms. Additionally, it relies on a standard DC power input rather than a built-in internal battery, so running it completely off-grid outdoors requires pairing it with a compatible external portable power station. So, who is this really for? This device is an absolute home run for frequent travelers, college students, renters, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a fuss-free, smart entertainment system that adapts instantly to any blank wall. Anyone hunting for a permanent, high-lumen home theater solution for a brightly lit family room will ultimately want a dedicated, high-output fixed projector. Is it worth the money? If you value true portability, lightning-fast automated setup, and a native Google TV interface that runs Netflix right out of the box without extra hardware, it stands out as one of the most convenient mini projectors available. The Amazon link sits right in the description for easy access. Hitting the like button, sharing this breakdown with a movie night partner, and subscribing helps support the channel for more honest, no-fluff tech reviews.